Europe stands at the forefront of a global green revolution, tackling climate change with urgency. It is pioneering innovative, sustainable technologies, offering a blueprint for a greener future. The European Union has set ambitious targets, aiming to become climate neutral by 2050. This commitment requires a fundamental shift in energy production and consumption, and also necessitates changes in transportation, construction, and agriculture. Europe is investing heavily in research and development, implementing policies to promote sustainable practices. The transition to a low-carbon economy is not only necessary, but also economically beneficial, creating new jobs, boosting innovation, and enhancing energy security. By embracing sustainable technologies, Europe is not only mitigating the impacts of climate change, but also positioning itself as a global leader in innovation and sustainability. This transformation serves as an inspiration and a model for the rest of the world. Renewable energy is at the heart of Europe's green revolution. The continent is rapidly transitioning away from fossil fuels, embracing solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal energy. Denmark, for instance, generates over half of its electricity from wind power. Germany is a solar energy powerhouse, and Portugal is increasingly relying on a mix of solar, wind, and hydro. The benefits of renewable energy are manifold. It reduces air pollution, improves public health, and creates new jobs. Moreover, renewable energy sources are becoming increasingly cost-competitive with fossil fuels. Europe's success in deploying renewable energy offers valuable lessons for the rest of the world. By investing in research, development, and infrastructure, countries can accelerate the transition to a clean energy future. This shift is not only environmentally imperative, but also economically beneficial, paving the way for a more sustainable and prosperous future. Europe is electrifying its transportation system. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are becoming increasingly commonplace on European roads. Governments are providing incentives for EV adoption, and charging infrastructure is rapidly expanding. Public transportation systems are also incorporating electric buses and trains. The shift towards electric transportation is driven by the need to reduce carbon emissions and improve air quality. Transportation is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions and urban pollution. EVs offer a cleaner and more sustainable alternative to gasoline-powered vehicles. They also reduce noise pollution, creating quieter and healthier cities. Governments need to create supportive policies and invest in charging infrastructure. Automakers need to continue innovating and producing affordable EVs. By combining government incentives, technological advancements, and public awareness campaigns, countries can accelerate the transition to a cleaner and more sustainable transportation future. Europe is modernizing its electricity grids, investing in smart grid technologies. Smart grids are digitalized electricity networks that use sensors, data analytics, and automation to optimize energy distribution. They improve grid efficiency, reliability, and resilience. Smart grids are essential for integrating renewable energy sources into the electricity system. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind are intermittent. Their output fluctuates depending on weather conditions. Smart grids can balance supply and demand in real time, ensuring grid stability even with a high penetration of renewables. They reduce energy waste and greenhouse gas emissions. Smart grids are a key enabler of the clean energy transition, paving the way for a more resilient, efficient, and decarbonized electricity system. Europe is at the forefront of green building practices, implementing stringent building codes and promoting energy-efficient designs and materials. Green buildings minimize their environmental impact throughout their life cycle, reducing energy consumption, water usage, and waste generation. Designed to be healthy, comfortable, and resource-efficient, green buildings not only protect the environment, but also offer economic and social advantages. They reduce energy costs for occupants, enhance property values, and create healthier living and working environments. Europe's focus on green buildings is transforming the construction industry, driving innovation in building materials, design, and construction techniques. Europe is embracing the circular economy, a model that aims to eliminate waste and pollution by keeping resources in use for as long as possible. It's a significant departure from the traditional linear economy of take, make, dispose, promoting resource efficiency, waste reduction, and sustainable production and consumption patterns. The circular economy involves various strategies, including eco-design, remanufacturing, repair, reuse, and recycling. By keeping materials in circulation, it minimizes the need for virgin resources, reduces waste generation, and lowers greenhouse gas emissions. Europe is implementing policies and initiatives to accelerate the transition to a circular economy, promoting eco-design principles, supporting waste management and recycling infrastructure. The goal is to create a closed-loop system where waste is minimized and resources are continuously reused and recycled. Section 7. Sustainable Agriculture, Cultivating a Greener Plate. Europe is promoting sustainable agricultural practices. It recognizes the environmental impact of food production. It supports organic farming, precision agriculture, and agroforestry. These practices aim to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, minimize water pollution, and protect biodiversity. Organic farming prohibits the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. It promotes soil health and biodiversity. Precision agriculture uses technology to optimize crop yields and reduce resource inputs. Agroforestry integrates trees into agricultural landscapes. It provides multiple benefits, including carbon sequestration, soil conservation, and biodiversity enhancement. Sustainable agricultural practices are essential for ensuring food security and environmental sustainability. They reduce the environmental footprint of food production. They promote healthy ecosystems. They contribute to the well-being of farmers and consumers alike. Section 8. The Economic and Social Impacts, a €1 trillion opportunity. Europe's green revolution is not just an environmental imperative. It is also an economic and social opportunity. The transition to a low-carbon economy is creating new jobs, boosting innovation, and enhancing energy security. The renewable energy sector, for example, is a major job creator. Installing and maintaining solar panels, wind turbines, and other renewable energy technologies requires a skilled workforce. The electric vehicle industry is also creating jobs in manufacturing, battery production, and charging infrastructure. The circular economy is fostering innovation and creating new business opportunities in areas such as recycling, remanufacturing, and product-as-a-service models. By reducing air and water pollution, the transition to a cleaner economy is improving public health and well-being. Green spaces in urban areas are being expanded, providing recreational opportunities and mitigating the urban heat island effect. The economic and social benefits of Europe's green revolution demonstrate that sustainability and prosperity are not mutually exclusive. Section 9. Challenges and opportunities on the path to sustainability. While Europe has made significant progress in its green revolution, challenges remain. The transition to a low-carbon economy requires significant investments in renewable energy infrastructure, smart grids, and sustainable transportation systems. Despite these challenges, the opportunities presented by the green revolution far outweigh the obstacles. By embracing innovation, fostering collaboration, and implementing supportive policies, Europe can overcome these challenges and create a more sustainable and prosperous future. One of the key challenges is ensuring a just transition for workers and communities that are currently dependent on fossil fuel industries. Governments and businesses need to work together to provide retraining opportunities and support the creation of new jobs in the green economy. Despite the challenges, Europe's green revolution offers a beacon of hope for the future. Section 10. A call to action, global cooperation for a sustainable future. Europe's green revolution is not an isolated phenomenon. It is part of a global movement towards a more sustainable future. Climate change is a global challenge that requires a collective response. International cooperation is essential for sharing knowledge, technologies, and best practices. Developed countries have a moral obligation to support developing countries in their transition to low-carbon economies. Financial assistance, technology transfer, and capacity building are crucial for enabling developing countries to leapfrog to cleaner technologies. By working together, countries can accelerate the transition to a low-carbon economy, create new markets for sustainable technologies, and promote global prosperity. The choices we make today will determine the future of our planet and the well-being of generations to come.